So this is the Jollibee store that was destroyed by the earthquake. And we're here at the Plaza General of Jensan. Solid yung Iglesia ni Cristo, no? That shows how well yung construction ng church. Parang walang damage. Grabe. This one, yung sa RD Plaza, destroyed, no? So they're transporting yung mga debris. So we're taking a jog here, no? Kasi yung Robinson sarado. May coverage nga doon, no? Tingnan natin here. Grabe. Ang damage. Tingnan natin. Tindi yung damage talaga. Grabe. Taking ito yung grabing bagsak na bagsak. Grabe. The other side here. Grabe sobrang. It appears itong structure, ito yung most damaged structure. This is the Bangko Sentral here, Plaza General. Then we're standing here at the Prosa building. Ubus. Sad. Now this is the Prosa Street, Pendaton Avenue, Plaza General. Okay naman, most structures here are still intact. Dito lang talaga, no? This building. Okay, so I hope today matapos na pa.